need it anymore, so I can press it to pieces, or what the hell would happen to book under our press. Let's see. And here we go. Managed to punch hole in the cover of the book, but we need a smaller tool to finish that book off. So the book managed to survive first try, but now I machined this smaller steel parts between the press and book, so now I have much more pressure against book since my pressing area is much smaller. Let's see. Decided to use this smaller steel part to finish the book off, which went very well. I'm not sure, but the book exploded very well. Yeah, I think that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.